guys are gonna be really happy once you see everything up on the wall. And you guys should follow every single one of these artists. Trust me, they're already popping off, but they're gonna pop off even more. I already know. So I got hungry and we had to go get conchas.
So you didn't like the bun that I got?
I don't know, I haven't tried it, but I don't know who picks that bun. Have you guys tried this one? What is this bun?
Can you crack it open? What is it?
I don't know.
What's that in the middle?
A whole lot of nothing.
It's good too. Sometimes
Yeah, sometimes they be too much, huh? The walls are pretty much clear. Fernando's just finishing taking off the vinyl from the last show. And then I just have to package that piece because it's sold. But pretty much everything is clear. We're about to put all this art up.